This video is for the National 5 Graphic Communication assignment for 2022, the smart speaker. This video is for assembling the smart speaker. If you have not made all three parts, you will need to do this first. In your assembly, you're going to go up to Place and you're going to find the three parts of your smart speaker. Once you have placed them, press Escape to avoid placing multiple parts. And the first thing we are going to do is we're going to look at grounding a part of the speaker so that it makes it easier to assemble and things that won't move about. When grounding, it is easiest to ground the part that the most of the other parts fit into. So in this case, the speaker casing fits both the base and the top. So I'm going to get the speaker casing, I'm going to right click it, and I'm going to make sure that grounded is ticked. And that means that the speaker casing can no longer move. First, we're going to attach the speaker base to the speaker casing. Now the speaker base has the triangle inside, and the speaker casing has a triangle at the bottom, so these are going to clip together. Now if we look at the smart speaker assembly, or the exploded drawing on datasheet 1A, we can see that the flat surface of the speaker case is in line with the little pinhole on the speaker base. So we need to make sure that they attach this way. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Constrain, and I'm going to click the very bottom of the triangle on the speaker base and the very bottom of the triangle on the speaker casing and press OK. That means that they are now in line with each other, but to make things easier, I'm just going to drag the base further away. I am now going to click Constrain again, and this time I'm going to click one of the edges of the triangle. I've clicked the one closest to the pin, and I'm then going to select the side of the triangle on the speaker case, which would connect to it. And again, I'm going to drag that away. If you keep dragging, you'll soon see if it is fully constrained or not. Next, I'm going to constrain another side of the triangle. So in this case, I'm going to do this side here. And I'm going to select the side on the base that that triangle will connect to. And again, press OK. Now my base can no longer be dragged away, so I know that it's fully constrained. So now we're going to look at constraining the top of the speaker to the bottom of the speaker. So again, I'm going to click Constrain. I'm first of all going to do the centre of the speaker top to the centre of the speaker bottom, and I'm going to drag that up. I'm then going to constrain the centre of one of the pins to the centre of the pin on the top, which means that it no longer spins around. And then last, I'm going to constrain the top of the base to the underside of the speaker top and press OK. And that is it, fully constrained because it can no longer move. So then I can go to File, Save As, and save it somewhere safe.